Hello friends, welcome to Overcome channel. In this video today I am going to share with you Maldives teaching job vacancies. If you are considering becoming an international teacher, this video is for you. Let's start the video. In URL you can put www.villacollege.edu.mv. If you are entering this URL, you can get this main page of Villa College Maldives. In this main page, menu available. In this menu, one of the option careers in left corner available. If you click this link careers, you can get what are the vacancies for Villa College. The first one is job application form available. Application form non-academic position and academic position. So what are the vacancies? Manager, senior manager, planning and development. Remuneration is 10,000 to 12,000 rupiah per month. Service allowances and responsibility allowances. Qualification, bachelor degree in management, master degree in a related field will be an added advantage. Minimum 2 years of work experience in a managerial field. So interested candidates submit the application form, CV, transcript and other relevant document to Villa College QI campus before October 13, 2021. So you can send your application form, CV, transcript, other relevant document to hr@villacollege.edu.mv. If you want the position description, you can click this link, position description. So this is the Villa College position description for manager, senior manager, planning and development. So what are the core responsibilities? Education and experience. So make sure before applying, please check your skills, eligibility, requirement, qualification, job description, experience, etc. So if you meet this requirement, you can apply as per the instruction. The second one is lecturer, senior lecturer, faculty of educational studies. Full-time job, this one remuneration is 18,000 to 20,000 per month. Service allowance 4,500 to 6,000 per month. So qualification, bachelor in a field related to science, biology, chemistry or physics, or master and PhD will be advantage. So minimum 1 year experience in the higher education or in a related area. So if you are interested these job vacancies for Villa College QI campus, you can submit the application form, CV, transcript to hr@villacollege.edu.me before October 13, 2021. The next one is lecturer, senior lecturer in law, faculty of Sharia and law. So remuneration they are given, qualification, bachelor or master's degree in law, PhD related field will be an advantage, minimum 1 years of territory or industry experience. So if you are interested, you can send your job application hr@villacollege.edu.mv. So the position description available, the below of the vacancies, you can check one by one. Next one is Dean of Faculty Engineering and Technology. Vacancy type full time, tenureship 4 years, remuneration 20,000 per month, service allowance, tenureship allowances providing. So qualification, bachelor degree in master degree in engineering, PhD in a related field will be an added advantage. Experience, minimum 3 years of experience in territory teaching and management. So if you are interested in these job vacancies, you can send the CV, transcript and other relevant document to hr@villacollege.edu.mv. The deadline of this application is October 13, 2021. The position description for Dean of Engineering and Technology available. Make sure before applying, please check all the details. HR officer. Deadline of this application October 12. Administrative officer. Procurement officer. So these are the vacancies for Villa College QI campus. If you are interested in these job vacancies, you can apply as per the instruction. So before applying, please check the job application form. So job application form for academic position, you can click this link. So this is Villa College job application form. This application form should take approximately 10 minutes to complete. There are 5 sections in this application form. You require to submit your CV and letter of application, maximum of 2 pages. Please ensure you have all documents ready to begin this process. The first one is your personal details, educational qualification, teaching experience, other employment background, training and workshop, research papers, achievement, any further information relevant to the application. Finally, you can give a reference and declaration. Once you have filled this job application form, you completely submit and with copies of your certificates and a photocopy of your ID or passport. So this is the way you have to apply Villa College QI campus job applications. Please note that only shortlisted applicant will be contacted. If you do not hear from the school, please assume that your application has been unsuccessful. If you are interested in exploring our international teaching job, please visit our channel. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, you can share with your friends. Good luck with your job search. I hope you can get a great job. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Thank you.